to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about DevOps in the cloud, the marriage of agility and flexibility. DevOps and cloud computing are two of the most transformative technologies of our time. DevOps is a software development approach that emphasizes collaboration, communication, and integration between the development and corporation teams. Together, DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to achieve a number of benefits. Agility. DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to be more agile and responsive to change. This is because DevOps teams can quickly and easily deploy new features and applications to the cloud. Flexibility. DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to be more flexible and scalable. This is because cloud computing resources can be scaled up or down as needed. Cost savings. DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to save money on IT costs. This is because DevOps teams can automate many tasks and cloud computing resources are typically more cost effective than traditional IT infrastructure. How DevOps and cloud computing work together. DevOps and cloud computing together to create a more agile, flexible, and cost-effective IT environment. DevOps teams use a variety of tools and practices to automate tasks and workflows. This can help to reduce the time it takes to develop and deploy new applications. Cloud computing providers DevOps teams with access to a wide range of resources on demand. This can help DevOps teams to quickly provision and deploy new environments. Together, DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to achieve a number of benefits, including faster time to market. DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to get new products and services to market faster. This is because DevOps teams can quickly and easily develop and deploy new features and applications to the cloud. Improved customer satisfaction. DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to improve customer satisfaction by delivering higher quality products and services faster. Increased competitive advantage. DevOps and cloud computing can help organizations to gain a competitive advantage by being more agile and responsive to change than their competitors. That's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching the video till the end. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye.